Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about why you should delegate and automate part of your affiliate marketing business. I also placed a link in the description below of a training that teaches you how to generate consistent signups on autopilot with your high-ticket affiliate business. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. The difference between affiliate marketers making $10K per month and affiliate marketers making $500K per month is the use of automation and delegation. Most people start their own business because they want freedom. They want to spend more time with their family. But what ends up happening most of the time is that they end up working even more hours than when they were doing their 9-to-5 job. All this because they do not know how to delegate or automate part of their business. You do not want to become a slave of your own business. The goal is to reach a point where you can go on vacation for a few weeks without your business being affected by it. Here are 5 reasons why you need to automate, systemize, and delegate different parts of your life and your business. Number 1, reduce your daily decision making. Reduce your daily decision making allows you to focus on bigger things. You will know which are your high impact areas, and then you can only focus on those areas. Number 2, systems work. People fail. If you don't have time for friends and family, and you are always stressed while you're doing something, but you are not getting closer to your goals, then you're on the wrong track. You should not be feeling guilty when you're not working. Completing your topmost tasks shows how productive you are, not the amount of time spent on your computer or phone. If people are left on their own, they're bound to fail. And if you're able to follow a system or systemize some areas, then there's going to be a faster progress. Number 3, systemizing will protect you from you. Sometimes you get too creative and you're not able to follow through on activities and actions. That is because you do not have a system. You need to have a strategy in place that will allow you to work fewer hours and still be efficient. You need to design a system that works for you. Number 4, you can get all the boring tasks out of the way. Get all the boring tasks out of the way and get other people to do it for you. If cooking is tedious for you, you can outsource it. You can delegate it. If it's doing the laundry or doing some cleaning around the house, anything that is repetitive and dull for you, you can get others to do it for you, so you can focus on more productive tasks. Number 5, focus only on super productive tasks. Super productive tasks are those top 20% tasks that are going to get you 80% results. This is the 80-20 rule. You can automate every aspect of your business. You can automate the marketing, the lead generation, and the sales process. You can automate your customer management process and only work on high-impact areas. So guys, these are 5 reasons why you should automate and delegate parts of your business. I placed a link in the description below of a training that teaches you how to generate consistent signups on autopilot with your high-ticket affiliate business.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.